Ryan doesn't want to go.
Taco wants to go.
Way over there doesn't want to go. Missing everybody.
Sneezed on him, farted on him, burnt holes through his face, and now the ultimate sacrifice as he is slowly lowered into the flame.
Hey, does anybody want me to save the spaghetti or can I go throw it away?
Go throw it away.
Vikings are better
Alright,
than the
Edward
49ers.
Cullen is no more.
Oh, burn it! Burn the spaghetti!
Diggory, there is hope. That was the best roll of his life, though.
That's nice.
You guys can't do nothing yet. We're not ready.
Food in that one.
Chunks.
I got this.
Okay, we're gonna wait. She's got 15 minutes.
Still torturing Edward.
I feel like we're burning the phone when she says cold.
Bury himself.
Audrey. Adrian, you wanna go? Adrian?
Adrian's smoking!
Look at this baby!
It's now going. Another dance.
That'd be kind of cool to go through here on a helicopter. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You die, though.
You have to swim like this way.
Yeah.
You're not gonna get high.
Here, okay.
Does Tulip want to go in? It's cold.
I got a headache.
Hey!
Oh, Tulip's in the... What?
Tulip doesn't want to
No,
get
don't make
No,
her.
only...
Tastes like popcorn.
Little squirt of ketchup, little squirt of mustard, mustard.
Easily entertained. Dad, with the hot dog, to do it. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Around anywhere other than this magical container that will somehow scare them away. Here's Dad, Abigail, and Adrian